I'm going to show you how you can transfer videos from your iPhone onto your PC. Now you don't need any special software for this. All you have to do is that you need to connect your lightning cable onto your PC and or laptop. Now my lightning cable is already connected onto my laptop. So all I have to do right now is that I have to tap on the iPhone here. I'm just going to plug it in like this. Now, once I plug it in, I'm going to go to my laptop now, and you can see on my laptop, this is what I will see. You can see it'll appear as Apple iPhone like this, right? Now, once on Apple iPhone, just go to your Apple iPhone like this, double click it, go to the internal storage. Now, on the internal storage, pick whichever album you want to copy from. So, for example, I want to copy from this album right here. Now, you can see there is a movie here that I can copy, so my video. So, just tap on this. I'm just going to right click, and then once I right click, I'm just going to tap on copy like this. Now on copy, I'm going to go to my example folder here and I'm going to paste it in. I'm just going to paste it in like this. Just click on OK. You don't need to worry about this. Just tap on OK. Now once you tap on OK, that's it. Your video is now pasted in. If I double click it, you can see it'll play just fine. So that's it. That's how you copy in your iPhone from your video onto your PC.